Hello everyone. Today we will be taking up with MCQ's discussion of AFS subject. Okay, Accounting and Finance for Services subject. Now, what we have done over here is we have made a fantastic, in fact, I have made a fantastic table for you people. So you all have already received the objective material of AFS subject. In that, from November 2013 to October 2019, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 papers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 papers questions have been given to you. 9 examinations papers questions have been given to you. And what I have done over here is all these 9 papers questions I have identified and differentiated into 23 various varieties of practical questions. Keep one thing in mind, where do you actually need my help is only in practical questions, because whatever theoretical questions are there in your objective paper set or study material, answers are already marked. And in the lectures we have already covered with theory part. So that objective theoretical MCQs you all will be able to do on your own. Where you require my help is only in the practical questions, how to solve them. Theoretical answers are already marked. So practical questions of all these papers I have classified into 23 variety of questions. Each variety of question, one I will be solving and showing it to you, and the remaining similar ones you all will be trying on your own. If you don't get the answer which is already marked by solving that, then you message me. You already have my number. You message it to me. I'll explain you how that solution is to be done. Further, what I will be doing is I will be solving the recent most questions only. So if suppose average daily rate based 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 different questions are there for practice in the study material, I will be solving the recent one, October 2019's question number 1. And thereafter, November 2013's question 2, September 2016's question 9, October 2017's question 1 as well as 11, and October 2018's question 19, you all will be trying on your own. It is exactly similar to question 1 of 2019 October. That I will be explaining, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions you all will try on your own. So I'll suggest that you pause the video and try it on your own at that point of time itself, so you will gain lots of confidence in that type of question. Okay. So 23 questions total I am going to solve in today's video lecture, and similar to those 23 questions, all other questions you all can try on your own, or you can watch the complete video and after that compare with that solutions, and then also you can try the similar questions on your own. My suggestion is during the lecture itself, after I solve one question, pause the video and solve the rest questions on your own. So today itself, all your MCQs are going to be completely and thoroughly prepared. Practical questions. Let us start with it. I am solving October 2019's question number 1, and you are going to try all these remaining questions on your own. So look at it. There's a first question I am solving right now. October 2019's question number 1. Calculate average daily rate of Hotel Express from the following information. What is asked mainly is average daily rate. Number of rooms available 170, rooms revenue 9,52,000, average occupancy percentage is 70%. Now what is the formula of average daily rate? Okay, MCQ, so I need not solve the things in detail. Average daily rate, okay, I'm just writing in brief only. Average daily rate will be equal to, the formula is total rooms revenue. Okay, the formula is total rooms revenue divided by number of rooms sold. Okay, total rooms revenue divided by number of rooms sold. Total room revenue is 9,52,000 and number of rooms sold will be 170 rooms are available but 70% are only occupied. So 170's 70% rooms would be sold. First find 170's 70%, you'll get 119. So 9,52,000 divided by 119. 9,52,000 divided by 119, your answer comes to 8,000. Okay. Now keep one thing in mind. When you solve this similar kind of questions, which questions? November 2013, September 2016, October 17 and October 18. Either you may be given with average daily rate and rooms revenue, and you may have to find the number of sold rooms, or you may be given with average daily rate and sold rooms, and you may have to find the rooms revenue. So this formula will be applicable, and in this formula any of the missing things may have to be obtained. Okay, any of the missing things may have to be obtained means either you may be given with rooms revenue and average daily rate, sold rooms are to be found out, or you may be given with average daily rate and sold rooms and rooms revenue is to be obtained. So all of you can pause the video and try all these questions. Which questions? You can take the screenshot and try these questions. Okay. Once you finish them, then you play the video and see the next question. This you will follow throughout this video lecture. I will not speak that again and again now. One question I am solving, the other similar ones, pause the video and try them on your own. And if you wish, attend the complete video lecture, and later on these similar questions you can also try on your own. Now look at the second question which I am solving, that is October 2019's question number 2. ITC company obtained a contract of rupees 20 lakhs. Contract cost expenditure till date is 12 lakhs. Cash received is 10,80,000, which is 90% of work certified. Work uncertified is 1,20,000. Calculate. It should be notional, not notational. So cancel this TA. Notional profit in above contract. So just make a rough contract account, you see. Now contract price of 20 lakhs will have no entry. Contract cost means expenditure till date 12 lakhs, you would write on the debit side. Cash received will have no entry, but from that you can find the work certified. So 10,80,000 divided by 90%. 10,80,000 divided by 90%. Do it calculator. 10,80,000 divided by 90%. What is the work certified? 12 lakhs. So that work certified 12 lakhs will come on the credit side. Then work uncertified 1,20,000 will also come on the credit side. Now whatever balancing figure remains is notional profit. So 12 lakhs plus 1,20,000, 13,20,000, and 13,20,000 minus 12 lakhs. So this 1,20,000 is your notional profit, balancing figure. 1,20,000 is your notional profit. Okay, your answer is option A. Now, similar to this question 2, there are no other questions asked in exams. Now look at question number 3 which I am solving, that is third variety of question, that is based on average daily rate we have done, notional profit we have done, now charge per guest, that is what is asked. So understand this. Hotel Dwarka has arranged a banquet for 1,000 persons. It was estimated that the total food cost will be 3 lakhs. Additional cost of staff 25,000, floral decoration and music 40, overheads 70. What charge per guest be made in order to produce a net profit of 13% on total takings? So in rough we are doing it, just add all the expenses first. 3 lakhs plus 25,000 plus floral decoration 40,000 plus overheads cost 70,000. Add all of them. What is the total cost do you get? 3 lakhs plus 25,000 plus 40,000 plus 70,000. So we get the total cost of 4,35,000. Now that workings what we used to make. Suppose the total takings is 100. Okay, suppose the total takings is 100 minus 13% profit. So cost would come to 87. Now you compare it. When cost is 87, profit is 13. So when cost is 4,35,000, what is your profit? So how would you find the profit? 4,35,000 into, okay, this 4,35,000 into 13 divided by 87. Do it everyone. 4,35,000 into 13 divided by 87. So that comes to 65,000. Now if you add that profit of 65,000, then 5 lakhs would be your total takings. Okay. Now we are asked charge. What is asked in the question? Charge per guest. There are 1,000 persons going to come. So 5 lakhs divided by 1,000. How much will you charge per guest? 500 rupees. So your answer is option C, that is 500. Now similar to this question number 4, you all try September 2016's question 5 and October 2018's question number 4 on your own. Okay, pause the video and you can try them on your own and then play the video and see the next one. Now this revenue per available room, all of you mark it very important question, because you all can see that so many times it has been repeated in exams. So this very important question, so many times it has been repeated in exams. I am solving this 5th question of October 2019 and so many questions to be tried on your own. So look at question number 4, be attentive now. 5th question of October 2019 exams. From the following information, calculate revenue per available room. Number of rooms are 500. Average room rate is 1500. Average occupancy rate is 60% and period is 80 days. Now, what is the formula of revenue per available room? There are 2 formulas we had discussed for revenue per available room. One formula was room revenue, total room revenue. Okay, total room revenue divided by available rooms. Total room revenue divided by available rooms, and so you get revenue per available room. And second formula what we had studied was average daily rate into percentage occupancy. So any of the formulas can be applied. Okay, average daily rate into percentage occupancy. You can take out the summary of your formulas we had done and you can verify that. Now here which formula would be applicable? Average room rate is given to you, daily rate 1500. Percentage occupancy is given 60%. So we'll apply this formula. 1500 into 60%, that is 900. Now here also, like I said to you in this first question, any 2 things may be given, third has to be found out. Same way here also, when you try the other questions, then maybe revenue per available room and room revenue is given, available rooms are asked. Or maybe you are given with revenue per available room and available rooms and you are asked room revenue. Or if you consider the second formula, then based on second formula, maybe you are given with revenue per available room and average daily rate and percentage occupancy is asked. Or you may be given with revenue per available room and percentage occupancy and average daily rate is asked. So any of the figures may be missing, but the formulas are going to remain same. So based on that concept, all of you try so many questions on your own. You can take the screenshot. November 2013's question 3, November 2014's question 9, December 2014's question 3, September 2015's question 10, September 2016 question 3 as well as 12, October 2017 question 12, October 2018 question 6. So almost in every exam one question has been asked. Mark this as very important question and try so many questions on your own, or you can even try them later on. But keep this in mind, out of any of the 2 formulas which you apply, any 2 figures on the left and right side may be given and the third one may be missing. So that concept is possible. Now look at question number 5. That is 7th question of 2019. These all questions I've done by now. Now 5th question is 7th question of 2019 exams. Calculate income from sale of rooms. From the following information, revenue of room sales we will add. Sale of food, ignore, not to be considered, because what we are finding is income from sale of rooms, and food income will go in food and beverage department. Salaries and wages of rooms, so we will minus. Glassware expenses of rooms, so we will minus. And fire insurance, ignore. Fire insurance comes in that rest in DPs, fixed costs. It doesn't come in room income. So this you can directly do in calculator. 40,000. From that you will minus 3,000 and you will minus 1,000. Okay, from 40,000 you will minus 3,000 and you will minus 1,000. Do it. 40,000 minus 3,000 minus 1,000. Your answer must come to 36,000. Make the correction. The answer is not option C but option D but option C. Correct answer is option C. Net income of rooms department is 36,000. Okay. Only salaries and wages and glassware expenses are to be taken into consideration. Now, based on this, question number 7, you have to try September 2016's question 25 on your own and October 2016's question 9 on your own. Now, 6th variety of question is room days. Question 8 I am doing of October 2019. So be attentive. This is the 6th question now we are doing for today. Calculate total room days for the year of Hotel Surya from the following information. 3 types of rooms are there: single room, double room and triple room. 3 types of suites are there. Number of rooms are 150, 150. Occupancy is 100%, 70% and 80%. So very simple it is. And assume 360 days in a year. So 150 rooms for single room. Okay, 150 rooms into 100% occupancy into 360 days. Calculated everyone? 150 rooms into 100% occupancy into 360 days. So that comes to 54,000 rooms. For double rooms, 100 rooms into 70% occupancy into 360 days. Do it everyone. 100 rooms into 70% occupancy into 360 days. That comes to 25,200 rooms. And then triple rooms. 50 rooms into 80% occupancy into 360 days. Okay, 50 rooms into 80% occupancy into 360 days. So that comes to 14,400 rooms. Now add all of them. 14,400 plus 25,200 plus 54,000. So you all must get 93,600. So 93,600 is your correct answer. Okay, so this question 8 of 2019 October exams I have done. Now October 2017 question 2 and October 2018 question 9, all of you try on your own. And anywhere, wherever you people are not able to get the answers, you WhatsApp it to me. I'll discuss the solution with you, or maybe in the next live session when we take up, Zoom session we take up, I'll discuss these answers. Now, net income of pathology department. So question 9 of October 2019 exams I am taking up. Okay, this is question number 7, 7th variety of question. Calculate the net income of pathology department from the following details of Backer's Hospital. Now, consultation charges comes in outpatient department's income, OPD. We are asked to find pathology, so ignore it, don't consider it. Blood test fees is pathology's income, so that will get added. Ultrasonography is radiology's income, so it will not be considered. Serum testing is pathology's income, it will get added. Okay. I'll mark in different color so that you understand it. This will get added, blue color items. Okay. Blood test and serum testing are related to pathology. Room charges are IPD, inpatient department's income, not to be considered. Salaries and wages of radiology department will not be considered. It's not of pathology, but salaries and wages of pathology department will be subtracted. Okay, it will get subtracted. There is an expense. So you have to add 1,87,000. that is blood test, plus 25,000, that is serum testing, and you do minus salaries and wages, that is 30,000. Read everyone, 1,87,000 plus 25,000 minus 30,000, that comes to 1,82,000. So your final answer is 1,82,000. Directly in calculator also you all can do it in exams. Okay, so 1,82,000 is the final answer. I hope everyone is clear with this. Now based on this, few more questions you have to try on your own. Take the screenshot. Similar to question 9, net income of pathology in October 2018, question 8 has been asked. That you have to try on your own. Then salary of room attendant is asked in question 11, which I am taking up. So look at this. Which variety of question? This is 8th variety of question. So look at 8th variety of question, question 11, based on salary of room attendant. From the following information, calculate salary of room attendant. Room attendant's salary is 20 rupees per day. There is one room attendant per room. The salary is paid only when the room is occupied. So there are 100 rooms. Now per room, one room attendant. So 100 rooms will require 100 room attendants in the hotel, and 80% of the rooms are normally occupied. The salary is paid only when the room is occupied. So 100's 80%, 80 rooms salary only we have to pay in summer, and 100's 30% rooms are occupied in winter, means in summer 80 room salary is to be paid, in winter 30 room salary is to be paid. You may assume that period of summer and winter is each of 6 months, and normal days may be assumed to be 30. So for summer, okay, for summer season, 100 rooms into 80% occupancy into one attendant per room into 20 rupees per day. So in summer, what is the salary we will be paying? Okay, further, yes, further we have to multiply it with 30 days in a month into 6 months. Okay, so 100 rooms into 80%, 80 rooms, 100 rooms into 80%, 80 rooms into one attendant, 80 attendants into 20 rupees, 1600 into 30 days into 6 months, 2,88,000. This is summer season's expense. Now winter season's expense, same 100 rooms, but in winter 30% is occupancy. One attendant per room is required. 20 rupees we are going to pay him into 30 days, and again 6 months is the winter season also. So that comes to how much? 100 into 30%, that is 30 rooms into one attendant, 30 attendants into 20 rupees, 600 rupees per day into 30 days into 6 months. So 1,08,000 would be the expense over here for winter season. So 2,88,000 plus 1,08,000. All of you add it. 2,88,000 plus 1,08,000. That comes to 3,96,000. So as you can see over here, answer is 3,96,000. Okay. Now, similar to this question 11, no other question has been asked in exam. Next is net revenue per patient. Now, net revenue per patient also, all of you mark it important, because quite a number of times it has been repeated in exams. This 19th question of October 2019 I am taking up. These 3 questions you all will try on your own. 2014 November's question 5, September 2015's question 3, and October 2018's question 2. So look at the 9th variety of question out of 23 varieties. Be attentive. That is question number 19. Calculate net revenue per patient using the following information. Net revenue 5 lakhs, number of patients 1000, discharged patients have no relevance. The formula is simply net revenue divided by number of patients. So as the net revenue per patient, just do 5 lakhs divided by 1000, that comes to 500. So answer is 500, option C. So similar to that, all of you try these questions on your own. November 2014's question 5, September 15's question 3, and October 2018's question 2. Now based on average length of stay, 20th question I am doing. So that is 10th variety of question. From the following information, calculate average length of stay. Total patient days 1000, outpatient days 6000. So inpatient days you can find from that. Inpatient days would be equal to 10,000 minus 6,000, that is 4,000. Okay, that is used in our formula of average length of stay. And number of inpatient discharges are 2,000. So what is the formula of average length of stay? Total inpatient days divided by inpatient discharges. Total inpatient days divided by inpatient discharges. This formulas etc. you don't have to write in exams. Directly you have to remember and you have to apply the formula in calculator itself. So even if you don't write the formula, directly you can do in calculator. 4,000 divided by 2,000, answer is 2 days. 4,000 is inpatient days as we have calculated. 2,000 is inpatient discharges. So answer is 2 days. You all can see this answer. Now similar to this question, all of you will be trying on your own. Which questions? 7th question of October 2018. Okay. Next is capital employed per bed day. I am doing 25th question, which is the 11th variety, and then one more question similar is there. So 11th variety of question, be attentive. Uma Hospital has given the following information. Land and building will get added, fixed asset. Furniture will get added, machinery will get added, stock will get added, all assets, cash will get added. Creditor is a liability, will get subtracted, outstanding liabilities will get subtracted. Now hospital has 50 bed capacity per day. Calculate capital employed per bed day and a capacity of the assume 365 days in a year. So first of all, what will be capital employed equal to 70 lakhs plus 25 lakhs plus 90 lakhs plus 20 lakhs plus 39 lakhs minus 15 lakhs minus 10 lakhs. In exams, you can directly do in calculator without wasting your time in showing all this. 70 plus 25 plus 90 plus 20 plus 39 minus 15 minus 10. So that comes to 219. Okay. Then capital employed divided by number of bed days. So after capital employed, what you require is number of bed days. Total 50 beds are there and 365 days is given in a year. So 50 beds into 365 days. Okay, do it 50 beds into 365 days. 18,250. 18,250 bed days are there in a year. Now how do you find capital employed per bed day? The formula is capital employed per bed day is equal to capital employed, that is 219 lakhs. 219 lakhs means 2 crore 19 lakhs divided by 18,250 bed days. Do it everyone. 2 crore 19 lakhs, 219 lakhs means 5 zeros divided by 18,250 bed days. So 1,200 rupees per bed day capacity, capital employed. Option C is your answer. Now similar to this question, you all have question 26 of September 2016 exams. So question 26 of September 2016 exams, all of you try on your own. Okay. 26th question of September 2016 exams, all of you try on your own. Now next is based on patient days, question 27 of October 2019 exams. So that is the 12th variety of question, question 27 of 2019 October exams. All these what we did initially are October 2019 exams questions. Okay. So look at that question number 27 of that. From the following information, calculate patient days assuming 365 days in a year of ABB hospital for its general ward. Number of general wards are 15. Number of beds in each ward are 20. Occupancy rate for 240 days is 100% and for the rest of the year, so 365 minus 250. What will be the rest of the year? 115 days. For the rest of 115 days, it is 80%. So very simple. For 250 days will count as 15 wards into 20 beds in each ward into 250 days into 100% occupancy. Do it everyone. 15 wards into 20 beds, 300 beds into 250 days, 75,000 into 100% occupancy, 75,000 are patient days. Okay, and in case of rest of the year, again 15 wards into 20 beds, but rest of the year means 115 days. So into 115 days into, now occupancy is 80% for the 115 days. So into 80%. With 15 wards into 20 beds, 300 beds into 115 days, 34,500 into 80% occupancy, 27,600. Now 75,000 plus 27,600, that comes to 1 lakh. 75,000 plus 27,600, that comes to 1,02,600. So 1,02,600 is the answer, option C. Now similar to this, one more question is there, question 21 of October 2018 exam. So all of you try question 21 of October 2018 exams on your own. Okay. Now all the questions of October 2019 exams have been done. 13th variety onwards, October 2018 exams I'm taking up. So question of October 2019 are all done. Now these are October 2018 exams questions. So 13th question is of October 2018, question number 12. Look at it, occupancy rate in the hospital. Okay, 13th variety of question. From the following information, calculate occupancy rate assuming 360 days in a year. Inpatient days are given 15,000, staff beds are given 50, total number of patients are given 2,500. Now what is the formula of occupancy rate? Okay, occupancy rate is, the formula of occupancy rate is total inpatient days divided by total bed days or staffed bed days into 100. So here what are the inpatient days given? 15,000. Okay, for applying the formulas, you must remember the formulas first for solving the MCQ questions. And I told you earlier also that from MCQ exams point of view, ratios from hotels as well as hospitals are very important. All the ratios formulas. Inpatient days 15,000 divided by bed days. There are 50 staff bed and 360 days. So bed days would be 50 into 360. I think that comes to 18,000. So 15,000 divided by 18,000 into 100. All of you do it. 15,000 divided by 18,000 into 100. So that comes to 83.33%. Okay, option C. Now similar to this, question 12, what we did right now, occupancy rate in hospital. No other question has been asked. Now ratio of room rent, question number 14 of same exams. Okay, that is a 14th variety of question and 14th question of October 2018. Look at it. The rent of double room suite is to be fixed, not fee, make it fixed. 2 times of the single room suite, and the rent of triple room suite is 3 times of the double room suite. First of all, single, double, triple. Now you assume, suppose single room suite's rent is 1 rupee. Now double room is fixed 2 times of single room, so it will be 1 into 2, that is 2. and triple room suite is fixed as 3 times of double room suite. Double we got 2, so 3 times of that it is 6. Means what is the ratio? 1 is to 2 is to 6. That is option B. Okay. Now similar to this, the question has not been asked in exams. So we take up with the next variety now. Okay. After ratio of room rent transfer to P&L account, this is contract costing questions where transfer to P&L account has been asked. So 15th I am doing, and then these two questions, November 2014's question 4 and September 2016's question 24, you all will try on your own. I am doing October 2018's question 15, 15th variety of question. Look at it. Question 15 of October 2018. If the percentage completion of incomplete contract is 45%. Now 45% comes in which category? 25 to 50%. 25 to 50% means what amount will be transferred to P&L account? 1/3. The formula would be 1/3 into NP into CR upon WC. Okay, this we have studied already in contract costing. So notional profit is rupees 5 lakhs. Directly given cash received is 90 lakhs. Given work certified is 1 crores. So calculate how much profit is transferred to P&L account. Profit and loss account, not number account. So this formula we have to apply. 1/3 into NP into CR upon WC. That means over here 1/3 into notional profit is given as 5 lakhs into cash received is given as 90 lakhs divided by contract price, work certified is given as 1 crore. So what you all do is first do 5 lakhs divided by 3 and then you do into 90 lakhs divided by 1 crore. First do 5 lakhs divided by 3, then do into 90 lakhs. If still it doesn't come in calculator, then further divide by 1 crore first and then multiply with 90 lakhs. So you must get 1,49,999.99 means 1,50,000. So that is your option B. Now similar to this, there are two questions which you will try on your own. So November 2014's, all of you try question 4 on your own, and September 2016's, all of you try question 24 on your own. You can pause the video and try these two questions on your own just now, or you can mark these questions and try them later on. After you finish that, look at work certified based question number 23 of October 2018's exam. Okay, 16th variety of question. Question 23 of October 2018 exams. Cash received from contractee, which is 90% of work certified, is 1,43,82,000. Contract price is 1,82 lakhs, no relevance. Calculate work certified. If you remember, directly you can do 1,43,82,000 divided by 90%. Okay, or you can make that workings. Cash received, work certified. When cash received is 90, work certified is 100. So when cash received is 1,43,82,000, what will be work certified? You'll get say 1,43,82,000 into 100 divided by 90 means divide by 90%. So do it 1,43,82,000 divided by 90%. You'll get 1,59,80,000. Okay, 1,59,80,000. That is your option C. Now, based on this question 16th variety, there is no other question is there. Now I am solving question 30 of October 2018 exams based on income of food and beverage department. So 17th variety, all of you look at it. Question number 30 of October 2018 exams. Sale of food and beverage. Income of food and beverage department is also sale we will add. Cost of food and beverage we will minus 6,000. Repairs and maintenance of kitchen is related to food and beverage will minus 1,000. Stationery expense is an administrative expense, so ignore that. Audit fees is an administrative expense, so ignore that. what will be the amount of profit from food and beverage department? So 10,000 is the main income. From that you minus 6,000 and 1,000. Only two things. So 10,000 minus 7,000, 3,000 will be your answer. That is option B. No other similar question has been asked in exams related to food and beverage. Now after October 2018, we go to October 2017 exams. Okay. So 8th question of October 2017, rate per guest is our 18th variety of question. Look at it. October 2017 exams, question number 8. That is our 18th variety of question out of 23. Few are only left now. Calculate average rate per guest when total room revenue is 6960 and number of guests are 95. The formula is simply room revenue divided by number of guests. How do you find the rate per guest? Room revenue divided by number of guests. So directly you will do 6960 divided by 95 guests. Do it. 6960 divided by 95 guests. You must get 73.26 as your answer. Okay. Now similar to this question, rate per guest, no other questions have been asked in exams. Percentage of food cost, 10th question of the same exams. So all of you look at October 2017's question number 10, that is 19th variety of question. The total revenue of a hotel is 35,714. Food cost is 22,500. Find out the percentage of food cost. So how do you find the percentage of food cost? Food cost upon total takings or total revenue into 100. So over here what will you do? Food cost 22,500 divided by total takings or total revenue 35,714 into 100. Do it everyone. 22,500 divided by 35,714 into 100. 63.005 means 63%. Okay. Similar to this also no other question has been asked in exams. Now straight away go to December 2015's exams. Okay. December 2015's exams, question 1 is percentage occupancy of hotel, and two more similar questions have been asked. November 2013 question 4, December 2014's question 8. These two you'll try on your own. So I am taking up with December 2015's question 1. Now that is 20th variety of question, December 2015's question number 1. Look at it. There are 400 rooms in Mexican hotel and it has on an average 300 rooms occupied during the year. What will be average percentage of occupancy? So what is the formula of percentage occupancy? Number of rooms occupied or sold divided by number of rooms available into 100. Okay, number of rooms occupied or sold divided by number of rooms available into 100. Now how many rooms are occupied over here? 300. Available 400. So 300 upon 400 into 100, 75%. Okay. Similar to that, two more questions have been asked. All of you try them on your own. November 2013's question number 4 and December 2014's question number 8. All of you try these two questions on your own. Now I am taking up with straight away after this September 2015's two questions. So 21st variety is September 2015's question number 2, which is based on percentage completion of work. Okay, so take out everyone. September 2015. September 2015's question number 2, that is 21st variety of question. From the following information, calculate percentage of completion. Work certified will only be taken into consideration. Okay, only this work certified will be taken into consideration. Work uncertified won't be considered. Contract price will be taken into consideration. Cash received won't be considered. So how do we use to find percentage of completion in the first working in contract account? Work certified upon contract price into 100. Work certified 79,90,000 divided by contract price 91 lakhs into 100. Do it everyone. 79 lakh 90,000 divided by 91 lakhs into 100. So 87.80%. Okay. That is your option A, 87.8%. Now again, similar to this, no other question has been asked in exams. Okay, same exams, September 2015 question, 22nd type of variety is question number 7. Material issued to be debited to contract account. Mark this as important question. It's a tricky question. You'll understand that. How is it tricky? So question number 7, that is 22nd variety of question of September 2015 exams, is an important question. Now, material consumed. What do you mean by material consumed? Consumed means used in the contract. That is opening stock or the stock of material already there at the site plus sent minus returned minus closing stock, that way. So material consumed is the final answer, 70,75,000. Materials returned to store is subtracted in obtaining material consumed. Materials unused is subtracted in obtaining material consumed. They are asking you what amount would be debited to contract account for materials issued. Now understand this. Normally, material consumed is equal to material issued minus returned minus unused or closing stock. Here, material consumed is given 70,75,000. Issued we have to find. Returned is given 25,500. This amount. And unused is given 86,000. So now if you bring this 2 on the other side, they'll get added. So what material would have been issued to the contract? 70,75,000 plus 25,500 plus 86,000. Do it everyone. 70,75,000 plus 25,500 plus 86,000. 71,86,500 of material might have been issued. So option C is your answer. Okay. Now last variety of question, 23rd question, that is November 2013's question 1. First question in your study material, first page. Okay. November 2013's question number 1. Last variety of question, 23rd variety. Look at it. Vadodara Inn has 40 bedroom facilities with a maximum occupancy of 490 sleeper nights per week, and its average occupancy is 60% throughout the year. So what would be the cost unit in terms of sleeper nights? 490 sleeper nights into 60% occupancy. Do it everyone. 490 into 60% occupancy, that comes to 294. So 294 is your answer. So all the variety of practical questions I have taken up, you all can take screenshot of this so that you can practice the remaining questions on your own. Okay. But all these variety of questions, 23 variety I have taken. Now remaining questions you must be able to try on your own, and theoretical answers are directly given. So those questions can be straight away tried on your own. That will be all for the current lecture. Bye everyone. Take care and all the best for the exams.